Welcome back to Rainbow Brush. My name is Brian, and today we are going to draw a blender and some juice. Remember to comment, like, and subscribe, and let's get started on drawing the blender. So we're using marker today, and we're going to use some colored pencils to color it in. This is a sped up drawing, and so make sure to pause the video and rewind as necessary so that you can follow along. I've got some facts about juice. If you're a parent watching, these are some cool facts. And if you're a kid learning to draw, these are also very good for you to know. All right, let's start off with a fact real quick. Did you know that light destroys the vitamins in freshly squeezed juice, so cartons are better for storage than bottles? I thought that was a pretty cool fact. My favorite straw would have to be a silly straw. I haven't used a silly straw in a long time, but I think it's about time I go back and get myself a silly straw. It's always funner to drink a beverage like that. In the cup, we're going to be drawing the bend to the straw. That's important. And we're going to make a little label here that's going to have grapes on it so that everybody knows this is grape juice. And of course, later on you can use the color purple to make it look like grape juice.
Yo!
Did you know that all 20 of the milk teeth that appear between 6 months and 2.5 years old in kids, the enamel on the freshly erupted teeth is immature and very vulnerable to fruit juice, fizzy drinks, and other drinks that are highly acidic, so be careful about that. The best drink for a baby is boiled water that has obviously been cooled, which also gives them a taste for the most important drink for life, which is water. Older children can use straws for fruit juice, squash, and other sweet drinks to avoid the juice washing over their teeth and causing damage. So that's always cool. So if you're worried about the teeth, make sure you use a straw and kind of bypass the teeth altogether, and it will help with cavities and other eroding issues. So here's an important one as well. Make sure you wait an hour before brushing after giving fruit juice or other acidic food or drink. That hour gives the saliva a chance to neutralize most of the acid and prevents acid being scrubbed into the teeth enamel and causing erosion. And if you really wanted to, you could color all this in green and make it look like slime. Maybe you're making a slime drink and you're gonna trick somebody and give it to them. I don't know. Really, you could do anything you want because this is your drawing. All right, how's your drawing coming along? Oh, look at that purple. It looks beautiful. Wow. You gotta have a really deep purple, and it'll make it look like grape juice. You can also use blue and pretend that you're having blueberry juice. We're going to add a couple textures and shading to a few of these things to make it really pop out and look great. If you've ever drank Welch's grape juice, here's a fun fact for you. In 1869, that's right, 1869, Welch invented a method of pasteurizing grape juice, so the fermentation process was stopped. So this is a very good thing because for all you kids out there, you wouldn't be able to drink grape juice if it wasn't for this pasteurizing process. So we already colored in the leaves, and now we're going to color in the grapes to match it with the blender, and we're going to pour that all inside this cup, and that's going to turn it purple too, of course. And you know what? If I were you, I would go and get some grape juice because now I am really thirsty. Are you thirsty? Man, I need to drink some water. That's probably the best idea. But after that, I should get some grape juice. I'm sure grape juice has been around for a very long time, Someone picked up a grape, ate it, and said, you know what? I should make juice out of this and drink it. And that's what happened. I don't really know the true facts behind it, but I should find the history of the grape. I myself really like cran grape juice. It's my favorite. Not everybody likes it, but my wife's favorite is apple juice, and my son's, I think, is also apple juice. What is your favorite drink? Let me know in the comments down below. It could be soda, it could be juice, could be milk, I don't know. Could be water, I don't know. Water is really good sometimes when you're thirsty. Sometimes there are no substitutes to water. Alright, we're coming to the end of this video. Let's add a little bit of white to make it look like a shine. It's funny how you can add just a little bit of a color and it'll make it come to life. So there we are. You can add more colors, maybe put some gray or something onto the blender and make that straw yellow and do your best to make it look awesome. Thank you so much for watching this video. As always, I'm Brian, and this is Rainbow Brush. You are an amazing person and an amazing drawer, so keep practicing, and I will see you on the next video.